Then after you download the files and do the installation in the database, you will need to import the template and the custom query on the application interface wizard. Then having the application interface wizard open, you will log in, obviously, and you will come here to application interface wizard setup, import template, go to where you have the file. In this case, I have it here on downloads. And then you will have the DBA files and the user files. And then the user files, you have two XML files, one that is the template and another that is the download with the template. You will say OK. Then the wizard will tell you that the loader template has been saved and the import was successful. And then in the custom query, we will come here to load from file. We will check that download. And then we'll tell you that the query was imported. Then after that, you will be all set to start working on the tool. Here you will come to find that if you have more than one template, will appear more than one template there, but if not, will just appear the template that you need. That in this case is the GL daily rates loader. And additionally, here on the custom query, if you come here to download form, or let me just go to another spreadsheet, download form, and then there will appear also this download previous rates query. And that is how you import the template and the custom query to the loader, and we will use them in the next part when we upload or download the rates from Oracle.